morning children, welcome to your social studies class. It's time for your social studies subject. Take out your social studies book and open page number 7. Up to page number 7 we had done in our previous class. Today we will continue the chapter from page number 8. We have done up to the neighboring countries of India. We have learned the neighboring countries, 8 neighboring countries of India. Okay, and I have also asked you to keep a map ready, because as soon as we finish the chapter we will mark the neighboring countries of India in a map of India. Okay, so let's start with the page number 8. The land surface of India differs from place to place. In India you will find different types of land surface, and it is different in place to place. It has high snow covered mountains. In some places you will find the mountains which are covered with snow, totally covered with snow. Large fertile plains. In some places you will find the land is very fertile and it is plain. Desert and a large plateau. You will also find many places where only you will see desert, and places are there where you will see large plateaus also. So on the basis of landforms, India is divided into 6 natural regions. So on the basis of different types of landforms, India is divided into 6 types of natural regions. So the first is the northern mountains or Himalayan region. The first is the northern mountains, which is in the northern part of India, where we will see the big Himalayan region and the mountains. Number 2 is the northern fertile plain, where the land is plain and the land is fertile, where people can do their occupation as the irrigation and crops, cultivation, all these things they can do. The farmers can work there. Number 3, the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. Now, number 3 region is the desert region, which has vast area fully covered with desert, where nothing can be grown, no plants, the land is not fertile. Number 4, the Southern Plateau or the Deccan Plateau, the southern land which is like a plateau or the Deccan Plateau. Number 5, the coastal plains. The plains lying near to the coastal areas are called coastal plains. And number 6, the islands, which is the Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep Islands. These are also a natural region, one category of natural region of our country. So the 6 natural regions we have learned. So the chapter completes here, and in page number 9 there are few points to remember. I am reading them out for you, and we will discuss the question answers in the next class before you write them. So India is a big and beautiful country with different kinds of landforms. India is the 7th largest country in the world. On the basis of landforms, India is divided into 6 natural regions: northern mountains, northern plains, the Indian desert, the southern plateaus and the coastal plains, islands. So these are the 6 natural land regions. Okay, we will discuss the question answers in our next class. Till then, keep on reading the book. Goodbye children.